Have you ever sat quietly in a park or forest just watching the world around you? A bird hops along a branch, an insect crawls across the ground. Nature is always busy, always teaching. We often see nature as a beautiful backdrop, but it's much more. It's a silent teacher, full of wisdom. Nature doesn't use words or classrooms. Its lessons are in its cycles and resilience. A flower pushing through pavement shows persistence. The changing seasons teach us about adaptation. Every plant and animal has a story if we take the time to notice. The spider's web, the eagle's flight, these are nature's solutions to life's challenges. When we look closely, we find a library of ideas all around us. Next time you step outside, look beyond beauty. See the design, the communication, the strength. Nature is always ready to share its secrets, asking only for our attention and respect. Let's be good students and open our minds to its lessons. The world is waiting. Are you ready to learn? Humans have always looked to nature for inspiration. This process, biomimicry, means learning from nature's engineering. Our best inventions often come from observing how nature solves problems. Early shipbuilders copied the streamlined shapes of fish and dolphins to make faster boats. The Wright brothers studied birds to unlock the secret of flight. Tools, shelters, even weaving baskets, all inspired by animal designs. Nature provides blueprints perfected over millions of years. Many new ideas are ancient, waiting for us to rediscover them. The next breakthrough might be hidden in a bird's wing or a leaf's surface. Nature's solutions are everywhere, if we're curious enough to look. Our creativity grows when we learn from the world around us. The answers are out there, waiting for a curious mind. Nature's influence shapes not just our inventions but our art and design. The colors of a sunset, the patterns on a butterfly, the symmetry of a snowflake, all inspire what we create. Fashion borrows from the jungle's greens and the leopard spots. Architects study beehives for strength, lily pads for floating structures, termite mounds for natural cooling. Even the simplest patterns, spirals, branches, veins, come from nature. These shapes feel right because they're part of our world. Nature is the original artist, offering endless inspiration. By observing it, we fill our lives with beauty and creativity. Today's technology is still inspired by nature's ancient designs. Velcro was invented after noticing how burrs stick to fur. Tiny hooks and loops copied from plants. Bats' echolocation led to sonar and better sensors for ships and cars. Robotics borrows animal movement. Robots crawl like snakes, swim like fish, run like cheetahs. Even insects inspire resilient, adaptable machines. Nature's solutions are often more efficient than our own. By studying animals and plants, we unlock new possibilities. The future of innovation is rooted in the wisdom of the wild. Nature teaches us how to live, not just how to build. Teamwork and community are everywhere in the wild. Ants, though tiny alone, build vast cities and move mountains together. Each ant has a role. Success comes from cooperation. Geese fly in V formation, sharing the work, and supporting each other on long journeys. When one tires, another takes the lead. Even trees in a forest are connected underground, sharing water and nutrients through a network of fungi. A healthy tree can help a struggling neighbor. Forests are communities, not just collections of trees. Nature shows us that connection and cooperation make us stronger. Helping others is a way of helping ourselves. We are all part of a larger whole. The natural world reminds us, together, we thrive. Nature's greatest lessons are often the simplest. A tree grows slowly, patiently adding strength year after year. It stands through storms and seasons, teaching us resilience and patience. A river flows around obstacles, wearing down stone with persistence. Even the hardest challenges yield to steady effort. Nature's cycles, winter to spring, fire to new growth, remind us that endings lead to new beginnings. Change is natural, and hope always returns. The sun sets, but always rises again. In nature's quiet wisdom, we find peace and strength. These lessons are always there, if we pause to notice. The world is a living library, each creature a book of wisdom. We've learned so much from nature, but there's so much more to discover. Our role is to stay curious, to observe and ask questions. Discovery isn't just for scientists, it's for everyone. Teach children to wonder, to respect life in their own backyard. To learn from nature, we must also protect it. Every lost species is a lost lesson. Let's preserve nature's library for future generations. Step outside, observe, and ask. What can I learn today? Nature is our oldest teacher. Let's remain its humble students.